Here at the Walton Centre NHS Foundation Trust, we are working hard to provide you with the care you need during these unprecedented times as safely as possible. We are doing everything we can to ensure you are safe when using our services. When entering either the main building or the Sid Watkins building, we will check your temperature, ask you to gel your hands and wear a surgical mask, which will be provided to you on arrival. You will need to keep this mask on at all times when travelling around our hospital. Social distancing of 2 metres is being observed here at the Walton Centre. We ask that you keep to the left when moving down corridors and not to congregate. Floor markings will guide you. When entering patient waiting areas, you will notice that the chairs are spaced out to maintain social distancing, and transparent barriers have been placed on reception desks to protect you and our staff. Where possible, please regularly wash your hands. We have hand wash stations outside all ward areas. Please also gel them as often as possible. Gel is provided throughout the hospital. Keeping our hospital clean is really important. Our domestic teams carry out industry standard cleaning services 24/7 in line with infection prevention principles. This high level of cleaning is applied to all areas of the hospital, including the areas you may be visiting. Unfortunately, visiting loved ones in hospital is still restricted here at the Walton Centre, but we will update you when this changes going forward. There are ways you can keep in touch with patients, and there is more information on our website. We are constantly monitoring the coronavirus situation and will make any necessary changes to ensure patients, visitors and staff are protected and safe.